After you watch this video, you're gonna love Suno even more. So quick question, do you ever use Suno and the voice just isn't right? Here's the problem, Suno can make the song, but it can't put your voice on it. That's where Controlla Voice AI comes in. And listen, if you already love the songs Suno is creating, you're gonna love them even more when they're in your voice. Today, I'm going to be making a song in Suno, importing it into Controlla Voice, and swapping the voice to my trained voice step by step. And you're going to want to stay to the end because I'm going to be showing a few hidden gems in Controlla Voice, things that you can do there, but you can't do on Suno. And that's going to make the final result sound way more real. Then we're going to do a quick before and after so you can hear the difference instantly between the Suno track and the new Controlla AI track. Let's get started. All right, so here we are in Suno, and like I mentioned before, we're going to create the song in Suno, and then we're going to drag it into Controlla Voice AI to put our voice or my voice on this track. Now I'm going to be using the lyrics of a song that I wrote and recorded about 8 years ago. It's called One Way Out. Now I understand that the music is going to be different, but I'm going to grab those lyrics from my Google Drive. I'm going to drop them right here in Suno. And we're going to see what happens. We'll see what type of song Suno creates for me. So let me just go ahead and grab the lyrics. Okay, so here are the lyrics now. I have chords in here. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly delete all the chords. Okay, so I entered all the lyrics, but I do not have a bridge on the song, and I would like a bridge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste everything that I have, and I'm going to open up our trusty ChatGPT to help us out. Now, if you don't have lyrics at all, you can ask ChatGPT to do that for you. And my suggestion for you guys is, as a songwriter, you want the rhyming patterns to be A, B, A, B. A lot of AI writes songs as A, A, B, B. So that's rhyming words, so, right? So line A rhymes with line A, line B rhymes with line B. But the better way to do it, or the better sounding songs, are A, B, A, B. And I could be completely wrong and off my rocker. And please leave a comment below if you write your songs A, A, B, B, or let me know how you write your songs. I would love to explore different songwriting styles. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my lyrics in here. I'm going to put a title in. It's One Way Out. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and use a program called Typeless, and I'm going to speak my prompts, and that way I don't have to type. I'll leave a link below in the description for Typeless. It's a completely free program to use, and I encourage you to try it out at least. Create a bridge for this song. And all I did was I pressed function, and then I spoke my words, and voila. And I just pressed enter. That's all I did. All right, so we have our bridge option, so let me just choose one here. Let's go with option B and add this into the full song. Okay, let's grab the song, go back to Suno, and let's do it. All right. All right, looks like we're good. Now we just need a style, so I'm going to say, I'm going to use Typeless, contemporary Christian, moderate tempo, upbeat, drums, piano, cello, acoustic guitar. All right, let's take a listen to this first one up here.
My ticket is a pass to any greater God, that He can make me well. I'm the only one in this place, hope to see some better days. You know I see the light ahead, I wish I could.
No, I like this first one better. This vocalist sounds like a tenor. There are different vocal ranges, and I'm a baritone, so this voice, my voice, even though it's going to be an AI, right, AI trained voice, it's not going to sound natural because I'm a baritone. So I'm going to have this rewrite this and into a baritone male vocalist. Okay, let's take a listen.
Still waiting, messing up one. My ticket is a pass.
It's better.
to anywhere.
Yep, that's more my range. Way, one way. Yep.
I think it's time to try.
Yeah, so that is much better for my range. It's going to sound more natural, more normal, more authentic.
And let up anyway. 'Cause there's one way out. I think it's time to try. Time to find myself. 'Cause there's one way.
Oh, I like that one. I like this one a lot. So we're going to go ahead and download this one. Come over here to the 3 magic little buttons in Suno. And we're going to come down to the bottom where it says download. And by the way, if you're not familiar with Suno, I have a lot of tutorials on this, but my goodness, you can download individual stems of these tracks. You can recreate these as cover songs, so into different styles. So many things that you can do. We're not going to go into that today. Let's go ahead and we're going to download. When it's ready, we're going to download the WAV file and the MP3. All right, we just downloaded our files. Now we're going to head over to Controlla Voice. Okay, so here we are, and look at this menu here. So all of my previous creations are going to be in my library. Song generation, this is like Suno. So you can still generate songs like Suno in Controlla Voice. You can swap your voices, which we are going to do with one of my trained voices, and I'm going to show you how to train your voice the right way. You can split the stems. And there's a style sampler. So, and here's where you create your voice. And here are my trained voices down here. So we're going to go ahead and let me just show you what swap voice looks like, because ultimately that is what we are going to be doing. Okay, so here we are in the swap voice section. And there are a couple of different things you can do or that you can swap. Right? You can swap for a voice or an instrument, and there are over 500 voices that Controlla Voice has you can choose from. And then you can do an instant clone here, which I wouldn't recommend. You can experiment with this, which would only take maybe a minute or 2 minutes to clone your voice. And I'm going to show you how to do it the right way and the real way, which takes a little bit longer. Actually, it takes a lot longer, but it's worth it. And then down here, this is where you would browse your files and choose the track that with the voice that you want to replace. And over here is record. If you want to record something, record your voice or an instrument or anything, and then replace it with one of these voices or instruments, you can do that. And I did one over here with, I just recorded my voice, and just listen to this real quick. It's not very pretty, but.
What is the point of this? Upload voice part separately.
So that's just an example. I said that, and then I just put Lola's voice on it. It's not in Lola's range, so it's going to sound funky. Like I said before, I'm a baritone. Lola is probably an alto or a soprano singer. So you do have to be conscientious about the vocal ranges versus, of your vocal range versus the vocal range of the singer that you're going to put in. And you can change the pitches, which we're not going to really experiment with today. So here we are. Let's come down here. And then the facts section, which is pretty neat. How do I make AI choirs? And you can do that in this program. How do I swap my voice for an instrument? How do I swap any song? So anyway, you can come here and read these for yourselves. But on the top, let's go to select a voice or instrument. And as you can see, I already trained 2 voices. This is my voice. This is my buddy Steve's voice. And then you have instruments over here, and they don't have many. And I'm assuming that in the near future, they're going to continue to add to their library of instruments. And very cool stuff here. And then over here are the voices, 510 royalty-free voices. That's right, royalty-free. You can use these, and you don't have to worry about paying any money to those who created these voices. And you could spend a lot of time going through this. We're not going to do that right now, but let's just do one voice as an example. Let's do Kieran.
After my sentence, with committed no crime and bad mistakes.
It sounds a little like Freddie Mercury. But anyway, some of them are terrible and some of them are really good. So you just have to be selective. You have your choices here: female, male, non-binary, and then you have filters that you can choose from up here. So, and that's this. So over here it says create a voice. Let's go there. So this is the section where you are going to train your own voice. And this does take some time. You need at least 10 minutes of audio to train your voice model. And you could upload clean vocals. And what I do for mine, or what I did, was I have my tracks in Logic with all of my instruments and all my vocals on there. What I did was I soloed just my track and exported my track of 3 of my songs, and I uploaded them right here. So if you can't do that, that's completely fine. You're going to come down here to record my voice, and you're going to click to allow your microphone. I use an M track, and then your headphone is going to be, I'm going to use my M track as headphones. And once you're ready, you're going to go ahead and you're going to push that, and then my room is ready. And here are your options, everyone. You can sing one of their YouTube tracks here, or you can find a link in YouTube, paste it here, and sing to your favorite track, to your heart's desire. And then it's going to train your voice this way. So let's just click on this one here, Bohemian Rhapsody. Yeah, I was just talking about Queen, Freddie Mercury. So yes, you're going to want to wear headphones or earbuds or earphones and then sing into your microphone. And if you just have just your computer mic, that should be okay. I mean, I have my Shure SM7 that I use, but you can sing into any microphone and the AI will train your voice. And that does take a couple of hours. So once you upload your 10 minutes, or once you record your 10 minutes of audio, it's going to take a couple of hours for the AI to train your voice. I told you about this before, and this does a pretty darn good job of creating songs. Here's one song I created.
In the quiet of a snowfall, when the world turns pale.
It's pretty good. It's pretty darn good. So I think Suno has a lot more options, and Suno has its own studio, which is pretty amazing. And it has a new editing feature where you can go in and edit and change lyrics in generated songs and change instrumental parts. So that's a whole other video. So, and I did do a couple tutorials on that if you want to find them on my channel, or I'll put them down below in the description. I'll put a link down there. So the split stem section is if you want to separate your voice from the instrumental, or the AI voice from the AI instrumental track. It'll separate those two and then give you those two right here on the right side in your library. Style sampler we're not going to go into. You guys can check that out. Create a voice. I just showed you how to do that. And then my voices. I showed you my voices. So let's come back here and swap voice, and we're going to do that to this brand new song that we created called One Way Out. Select the voice. We're going to go to JP. And then let's browse files. And we are just going to do, we're going to do the MP3. And you have this option right here where you can export or isolate the vocals only, but we are going to generate the full song with my AI voice. Okay. All right, we are ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead. Oh, right here. This is what I wanted to show you before, where you can adjust the pitch by +12 or -12 to make it lower. So +12 to make it higher, -12 to make it lower. So, ideal for switching between male and female voices. Let's check out some advanced settings. So remove reverb. Do we want to remove reverb? Let's see, tones down the natural room ambience to makes the audio sound distant or roomy. Okay, let's just leave. We're gonna leave the reverb in there, and then up here it says isolate lead vocal and remove noise. It extracts. Let's extract this, because let me just share a quick tip with you all. What I would do is I would download the stem, the instrumental stems, and the vocals separately, and then I would go into my Logic program, which is my digital audio workstation, and you guys can do that for free on BandLab and I think Audacity, you can separate the tracks with that, or whatever DAW you guys want to use. And then I can mix them independently, so I can add any effect that I want. All right, but for right now, yeah, I'm going to isolate lead vocal and remove noise. But that's vocals only. I want it for right now, for this demonstration, I'm going to do full song with music. All right, let's go ahead and swap the voice. All right, let's take a listen to the song.
Yeah, no, I see the light ahead. I wish you could go back and stare to the bays of fall, where everything will fine. I look in the light, trying to find myself, 'cause there's a one way out, and me to pray to God that He can make me well.
Yeah, so awesome. Great job, Controlla Voice. So that's definitely my voice on steroids. I have a decent singing voice, but it definitely stepped it up a notch. So I love that. And I'm going to have so much fun exploring in Controlla Voice. And again, Suno is my go-to. It's my favorite. You guys know that. Suno can't yet do what Controlla Voice can. So until that day happens, I will be using both Suno and Controlla Voice. And I'm going to be demonstrating some other software that does different things, such as MIDI. There's software out there that can convert audio to MIDI, and that is going to be a big deal for music producers. So stick around, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, because we are definitely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation programs, because my goodness, we know how expensive costs are getting as content creators. So do me a favor, in the comment section below, let me know what your favorite part of this video was, and I will respond to you guys. I appreciate you all, and I will see you all on the next video.